Okay, so good day everyone. I am here today to share my personal experience with split type air conditioner, and we'll talk about its dimensions of quality. So it's very obvious naman that we are very satisfied with the performance of split type air conditioner, which one thing I noticed is that it cools the room really fast, especially on hot days, even when the temperature outside is over 30 degrees Celsius. The AC can bring it down into a comfortable level in just a few minutes. And however, if I set the temperature too low, I sometimes feel too cold, so I usually adjust it around 24 to 26 degrees Celsius. So before, kay kanang bitaw ko sa nagpubugnaw ba, so 18 degrees Celsius gina, but then I noticed na 24 kay more comfortable lang gid siya para nako, so mo na nakaset na gid siya always 24 degrees Celsius. Next, its features. So our AC has inverter technology, which helps us saves electricity, and we also use the sleep mode at night, which slowly increases the temperature while we sleep, so we don't wake up freezing. And also another cool feature is the Wi-Fi control, so I can adjust the settings for my phone without getting up at night. Let's talk about its reliability, no? So we've been using a split type air conditioner for over 3 years na, and it still works well without major issues, and it doesn't break down, and it always maintains the right temperature, and this shows that split type air conditioner is reliable and performs consistently. Before buying this kanang AC, my brother and mother checked the energy efficiency. So by checking its conformance, no, we have to check manggid if the product meets the standard of the government standards for energy saving. And yes, split type AC is a 5-star rating in energy efficiency. And also, the technician who installed it said it uses R32 refrigerant, which is more eco-friendly and compared to other models. Its durability, so our AC outdoor unit is placed outside where it's exposed to heat, rain, and dust. Even after years of exposure, it still works fine. The only thing we needed to do was clean the unit regularly to remove dust build-up. This proves that a good AC is durable and built to last. So for your thing to long last lang yun, no, kay you have to clean it regularly. It doesn't mean na you have your product, doesn't mean kanang then dali ra naguba, doesn't mean dili na siya durable. Also, your product needs maintenance man, needs kanang limpyuhan nimo para mo long last kid siya. Digi ka kaingon nga kanang dali ara naguba sa ko ang aircon, dili siya durable, mag-change na ko og kanang another product. No, you have to take care of your product actually, for your product to long last. So its serviceability. So one time the AC's cooling power became weaker. We called the technician and he cleaned the filters and coils. After that, it worked perfectly again. Since the filters are easy to remove, we now clean them every month to keep the AC running efficiently. So yes, dili mo ginamalikayan ang kanang mga minor issues na, as I can see. So far so good. Wala pa gid may mga major issues nga na encounter using split type air conditioner. So, yes, there's one time na naka-encounter mi nga naka-feel mi sa living room, which is ang living room di always gid siyang ginagamit sa the whole day gid siya magamit sa ubos. So, naka-feel mi nga murag mihinay man ang kabugnaw sa AC. So, that's the time that we contact a technician to check what happened to our AC. And yes, he just cleaned the foil and filters and coils. After that, good na. Good performance. Nasa. And the aesthetics, I also like how the AC looks in our living room and here in our bedroom. It has a sleek and modern design, and it blends well with the wall. Unlike window type ACs, it doesn't take up much space, making the room look net. So yes, it's very obvious na kanang mas aesthetic gid siya kanang tan-awon bitaw compared sa window type AC. Kay ang window type AC kay hassle kay tanan magsikag kuha ato yung filter katong square siyang atubangan kay kanang hugaw abog ka siya tan-awon kay obvious kay tanan ang abog nga makita nimo kuan. Pero kana siya kay kuan dali ra makuha yung abog di pagid siya kanang magbasa. And also its safety. Finally, safety is very important. Our AC has automatic shut off when it overheats, so there's less risk of fire. Also, the technician advised us to plug it into a proper circuit breaker to prevent electrical hazards. So far, we haven't had any issues and we feel safe using it daily. So yes, kanang so far so good. Wa gyud mi kanang na-encounter nga mga negative pa na mga panghitabo while using AC. So for my personal experience, I can say that a good split type air conditioner should be efficient, reliable, durable, easy to maintain, and safe to use. It's not just about cooling, it's about comfort, convenience, and energy saving. So that's it. Thank you for listening.